In this video, we're going to show you how to enable YouTube picture-in-picture on iOS or iPhone. Follow these instructions if you want to enable or re-enable the mini player for YouTube on your iPhone. First step is tap on your user icon in the top right corner of the app and then select Settings. In Settings, select the General heading. Step 3, if the options available for you, you'll be able to toggle the picture-in-picture mode on. Step 4, to use this feature, just exit the YouTube app by swiping up from the bottom of your screen or pressing the home button while you are playing a video. Step 5, you can resize the player by using a pinching motion. There are 3 available sizes, with the largest taking up the whole width of your screen. Step 6, if you want to get rid of the player, you can swipe it to the left or right to minimize it. Tap the arrow icon when you want it back. And yeah, that's pretty much it. That's the video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribing that bell icon. We'll see you on the next one.